Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these three squares, blue one, green one, and the yellow one. As you can see in this diagram, such that this horizontal measurement is 28 units, whereas this vertical measurement is 10. And moreover, the difference between the green area and the blue area is 240. And now we are going to calculate the area of this yellow square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and label these sides. I'm gonna call this side of this green square as a lowercase a. And this blue square I'm going to call lowercase b, and this yellow square I'm going to call lowercase c. Then all the sides of this blue square is going to be b across the board, and likewise for this green square it's going to be a for all these sides. Then our green area is going to become a square. The blue area is going to become b square, and this yellow area is going to become c square. And moreover, we know that this whole side length is a, which is equal to the sum of this side length b plus this side length 10. So therefore, we can write a equals to b plus 10. So therefore we got a equals to b plus 10. Let me go ahead and move this b on the left hand side. So we got a minus b equals to 10. Let me call this our equation number 1. Now let's focus on this statement. Green area minus blue area equals 240. That has been given to us. We know our green area is a square, so I'm going to replace this one. A square minus the blue area is b square is going to be equal to 240. And now let's recall this famous identity. A square minus b square could be written as a minus b times a plus b. Let me go ahead and replace this one by a minus b times a plus b equals to 240, and we know our a minus b is 10, so I'm going to replace this a minus b by 10 and then times a plus b equals to 240. Now let's divide both sides by 10, so this is gone. So our a plus b value turns out to be 24. And here I have copied down our value a plus b equals to 24. Let me call this as our equation number 2. Now let me go ahead and solve these two equations by adding them first. So let's go ahead and add these two equations. This negative b and positive b is gone. So we ended up with 2a equals to 34. Let's divide both sides by 2. So our a value turns out to be 17 units. So thus this a value turns out to be 17. And we know that this whole distance is 28 units and this is 17. So therefore this distance has got to be 28 minus 17 is going to be 11. So therefore this side length for this yellow square turns out to be 11. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this yellow square. We know area equals to c square. C value is 11. So therefore the area is going to be 11 square, which is going to be equal to 121 square units. So thus the area of this yellow square turns out to be 121 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.